Hello everyone and welcome to another Add Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing SPM 2019 Add Maths past year paper, paper 2, long question, question number 2. Okay, without further delay, let me read the question now. Express 2 to the power of n plus 2 minus 2 to the power of n plus 1 plus 2 to the power of n minus 1 in the form p in a bracket 2 to the power of n minus 1 where p is a constant. Hence, solve the equation 8 in a bracket 2 to the power of n plus 2 minus 2 to the power of n plus 1 plus 2 to the power of n minus 1 close bracket equals to 5 in a bracket 2 to the power of n square. So this is the question 2, guys. So I hope you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, well done guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. So without further delay, let us start to discuss the solution for the question 2 now. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright, let us begin our discussion for the question 2 solution now. Okay, we rewrite the whole equation over here. 2 to the power of n plus 2 minus 2 to the power of n plus 1 plus 2 to the power of n minus 1 over here. Okay, so the first step what we need to do is we need to express in the form of p in a bracket 2 to the power of n minus 1. In order to express in this form, so what we need to do, okay, I'm going to show you in the next working. Okay, so what you do, you factor out everything in terms of 2 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so for the first term 2 to the power of n minus 1, okay, you factor them out and then you should get 2 to the power of 3. Okay, why you get this? Okay, there is a reason guys. Okay, the indices you have the same base, okay, you times them and then the power you add them together. So n minus 1 and you plus with 3, you get back the original term over here, which is 2 to the power of n plus 2. Okay, the same concept you apply for these two terms as well. Okay, and then you minus with 2 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, and then you times with 2 square. Okay, because when you times this, you get back this original term 2 to the power of n plus 1. Okay, and then you plus with 2 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, since it's already satisfying the original form, okay, so it remains the original form, and then what you do, you just have to times with 1. Okay, so from here let us continue to the next step. Okay, now what we do, we factor out the 2 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, and then we group all the numbers together. Okay, 2 to the power of 3 minus, okay, this one should be 2 square guys. There is a mistake over here. So 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 square plus 1. So 8 minus 4 plus 1. So you should get 5 in a bracket 2 to the power of n minus 1. So this is your first step guys. Okay, once you are done with the first step, so let us proceed to the second step now. Alright, let us proceed to the second step, where we have to require to solve the given equation guys. Okay, so let us continue. So the question give that 8 in a bracket 2 to the power of n plus 2 minus 2 to the power of n plus 1 plus 2 to the power of n minus 1 close bracket equals to 5 in a bracket 2 to the power of n square. Okay, so since we have already simplified this form into 5 in a bracket 2 to the power of n minus 1, so what we do, we just simply replace this. Okay, so from here let us continue to the next step. Okay, so this 3 term is already reduced into this form, p in a bracket 2 to the power of n minus 1, where you get 8 in a bracket 5 times with 2 to the power of n minus 1, so close bracket, equals to 5 in a bracket 2 to the power of n square. Okay, since you have 5 and 5 in the both sides, so you can simplify them. Okay, so let us proceed to the next step. So this 8 you can further break down into 2 cube. Okay, let us proceed. So 8 you reduce into base 2, so from here you get 2 cube times with 2 to the power of n minus 1 close bracket equals to 2 to the power of n square. Okay, since the base is the same, so the power you can just add them. Okay, so from here, 2 to the power of 3 plus n minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of n square. 2 to the power of 3 plus n minus 1, so 3 minus 1 you get 2. So in the next step you should be getting 2 to the power of 2 plus n, so equals to 2n squared. So let us proceed to the next step. So from here you should get 2 to the power of 2 plus n is equals to 2 to the power of n squared. Okay, since the power you have no longer have any simplification, so you can straight away simplify the base. Okay, once you simplify the base, so you're only left with 2 plus n is equals to n squared. Okay, as you notice over here, we can actually form a quadratic equation. So you bring everything from the left hand side to the right hand side. So from here you get n squared minus n minus 2 is equals to 0. So you factor this out, you should get n minus 2 in the bracket n plus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore you will have two answers over here, where you will get n is equals to 2 and n is equals to negative 1. So you have two answers over here, guys. Alright, that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. Any question or feedback, feel free to put in the comment section, guys. And before that, please tell me your feedback. How do you find out this question? Is this question easy or difficult? And most important thing, could you manage to solve this question? If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.